Hello guys, how are you? Today we make together alfajores. Alfajores is the famous Argentinian dessert. It's amazing biscuit filled with caramel, covered with the chocolate. Really amazing combination. And the flavor so good. And you can make it with any type of chocolate you like. I preferred Valrhona chocolate. Tastes really so good. I hope if this first time to watch my channel, please make subscribe, leave the comment and make share. And let us know what exactly you want me to do. My name is Ahmed Yunus. This recipe is fantastic because it's amazing. The biscuit, it's close to sablé and really very delicate, and so it's melted in your mouth. We will make together and I leave the whole recipe in the description box below. 100 gram corn flour, 90 gram flour, 2.5 gram baking powder, 1 gram baking soda, pinch of salt, 90 gram butter, room temperature, 90 gram powdered sugar or icing sugar, 1 egg yolk, 2 gram brandy, 1 gram vanilla, and most important, 8 gram lemon zest. Lemon zest is make different aroma to the biscuits with the combination of the caramel. It really wow. First, we mix all dry ingredients together. Corn flour, flour. I prefer all-purpose flour. It's not any. It's all-purpose flour. 11% protein. 2.5 gram baking powder, baking soda, salt, vanilla and lemon zest. So all dry mixed together. And in other side we use room temperature butter. We mix with icing sugar. And when really soft, I added 1 egg yolk. It's not egg white. It's not whole egg, it's just egg yolk. So after that I added the whole dry ingredients and I mix it to be a dough. So I keep in one container in the fridge for 10-15 minutes or 1 hour to be cool. And when it's cold, it's easy to mix it and spread, as you will see now. So now you can spread with rolling pin. I use flour or corn flour under the dough, so the dough is not stick in rolling pin. When I have the 4mm high, then I cut with round cutter 5 cm diameter, so or 6, it's up to you the size you want, but 5 cm is really nice size for this biscuit. I will show you how we spread with rolling pin. When the dough comes from the fridge, I leave it half an hour or 1 hour. It's depending about the fridge you have, if it's strong or not. Then exactly like I use sablé dough. I use little corn flour when I spread, or you can use normal flour, it's up to you. And then with rolling pin, I try to make it 4mm high, and this is the right size to use for this biscuit. Don't try to make it more than 4 millimeter, because it will not be crunchy when you taste it. The best step I do normally when I use any dough like that, like sablé dough, I roll out, then I put back in the tray sheet or tray pan, then I keep in the fridge at least 15 minutes, so it will be the dough very cold. When I use the cutter, it will have the same edges, is not getting soft or I lose the butter. So as you see, I remove, I put back in the tray, then I keep in the fridge for 15-20 minutes. Remove all the edges, I keep in the fridge. I can use this dough again and again, but this dough is completely different than sablé dough because it's very light. After 15 minutes, you see I have a strong dough, so I can cut. See, it's very strong and keep the shape sharp. Now I cut all the round rings. After that I can bake. As you see, almost finished. It's very important when I spread this dough, I must spread in cold cutting board or table, must be cold, because the butter, I don't want the butter go out. When it's ready, I put in one tray, then I bake 170. I put for 12 minutes, but actually it takes only 10 minutes and becomes golden crispy. After, you see, it's 2 minutes less. 10 minutes becomes wow, golden crunchy. As you see, I have this condensed milk, caramelized condensed milk. There is two ways how to make condensed milk. I will leave the link in the description box. You bring the condensed milk, the whole can, you put in the hot water boiling for 3 hours. After that becomes caramelized, or you put in saucepan and you keep stir in medium fire until becomes caramelized. So we put enough quantity of caramel. Then make sure you remove the extra, so when you glaze it, it becomes nice. When you use too much, you will know exactly which quantity, So I have 100 grams of chocolate, 10 grams of oil, vegetable oil. Then I glaze all. And then I can cover. You can use white chocolate, dark chocolate, milk chocolate. It's up to you. Actually, if you go Buenos Aires, when I go to the port, 6 pieces is cost almost €4.